Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Omron blood pressure monitor errors E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, meaning causes and step by step. Fixing error codes on your Omron blood pressure monitor usually comes down to checking your cuff placement, staying completely still during the reading, and ensuring the device has fresh batteries. The majority of E-codes relate to improper setup or minor movement interrupting the sensor. E1, cuff setup or air leak. The arm cuff is too loose, incorrectly applied, or the air is leaking. It can also mean the air tube is disconnected. To fix it, rewrap the cuff smoothly against your bare arm, leaving just enough room to slip two fingers under it. Ensure the air plug is pushed securely into the side of the monitor and check that the tube is not twisted or kinked. E2, movement or interference, meaning you spoke, moved, or shifted your body while the monitor was inflating or measuring. To fix it, remain completely still and do not talk during the reading. Sit in a chair with your flat feet on the floor, your back straight, and your arm resting on the table so that the cuff is at heart level. E3, overinflation slash deflation error, meaning the cuff was inflated beyond the maximum safe pressure or the tubing is blocked. To fix it, do not touch the cuff or bend the tubing while the measurement is in progress. If it happens again, try holding down the start slash stop button until the monitor inflates about 30 to 40 Hg higher than your usual systolic pressure. E4, vibration, meaning the monitor detected vibrations like shaking or talking, disrupting the reading or the cuff inflated improperly. To fix it, sit very still and avoid sudden movements. Check the cuff and tubing for wear, cracks, or leaks. E5, pulse slash heart rate not detected, meaning the pulse is too weak, the cuff is too tight, or the arm isn't positioned correctly to detect a signal. To fix it, reapply the cuff, snug but comfortable like a pair of socks, and rest your unbent arm on a desk. Ensure your arm is relaxed and positioned right at heart level. Quick universal reset. If the errors persist across multiple attempts, try performing a hard reset on the device. Step 1, remove all the batteries from the device. Step 2, wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Step 3, then insert fresh, high quality alkaline batteries, ensuring the polarities are perfectly aligned. Step 4, if it continues to malfunction, the cuff or internal sensors may be permanently damaged and in need of replacement. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.